Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Having your own pool can be a great way to escape the heat in the summer without having to pack up all your stuff and head over to the community center or a friend's house. The convenience of having your own pool is huge, we totally get it. But having a pool also comes with a ton of responsibility.
Take our lead.
What is the average cost to own and maintain a swimming pool in Arizona? The average pool owner spends anywhere from $80 to $150 per month on their pool. Depending on the size of your pool, you could end up spending about $250 or more on a one-time cleaning.
Take our lead.
The Arizona Republic reported that large lawns and backyard pools were once common features of new homes in the Phoenix area, but not anymore. A recent study of single-family homes in the Phoenix metropolitan area showed that nearly two-thirds of homes do not have a swimming pool.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Every 2 to 3 years. Arizona has a desert climate. During the summer months, the triple-digit temperatures and lack of moisture can crack your pool. The exact timing will depend greatly on the weather and how well you've been maintaining your pool, but the general rule in Arizona is to drain your pool and change your water every 2 to 3 years.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.